Welcome to the pack, fellow wolves. We've got a lineup of howling news that's ready to pounce on the financial frontier. Let's sink our teeth into today's top stories. Our first hunt of the day is MicroStrategy expanding its Bitcoin holdings. This Michael Saylor-led crypto titan has issued a new wave of convertible bonds worth a staggering $700 million, maturing in 2032 and yielding 2.25% per annum. Investors even have the option to purchase another $100 million worth of bonds. MicroStrategy, which owns 214,367 Bitcoins worth $14.3 billion, has been adding to its piggy bank for more than 3 years. After suffering losses, their position became profitable at the end of October 2023, thanks to the rapid growth of the cryptocurrency market. The wolves are gaining strength, and MicroStrategy is leading the pack. Next up, let's talk about ZKSync and its explosive token debut. The project released its ZK tokens across crypto exchanges, with an emission totaling 21 billion units. Early supporters and liquidity providers of ZKSync's ecosystem were rewarded in this token rainstorm. But beware, wolves, not all is well in the forest. The crypto community has been howling about weak multi-account filtering and insider tricks during the airdrop, with even blacklisted wallets managing to snag tokens. The tension is high and the pack is restless, demanding clarity and fairness in the hunt for these digital treasures. Tether is forging new paths with their token issuance platform, Alloy. This Ethereum-based platform lets users mint tokens backed by the golden gleam of Tether Gold, XAUT. The premier asset, AUSDT, is over-collateralized by Xeat, giving it a solid gold foundation stored safely in Swiss vaults. Initially running on Ethereum, a USDT offers a derivative avenue for asset holders to maneuver without offloading their Tether Gold. Our final chase of the day, Bitcoin's dropped to a one-month low. On June 18th, BTC slumped below $66,000, hitting a trough of $64.4 thousand. This dip shadows a wave of reduced investments in spot Bitcoin ETFs and other crypto products, spurred by the Fed's decision to hold interest rates steady at 5.5%. The ripples spread through the pack, with top cryptos like XRP, BNB, Cardano, Toncoin, and Solana echoing Bitcoin's downward howl, shedding 7% of their value. Dogecoin, however, took the hardest hit, plummeting 9.2% in just 24 hours. The pack is navigating rough terrain, but remember, wolves thrive in adversity. That's the roundup for today, wolves. Stay vigilant and keep your fangs sharp as we navigate the crypto wilderness together. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel. Keep howling at the moon and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.